breath. And when you breathe out, close your eyes. Begin to remember what you saw in your surroundings. You will see that it becomes very natural for you to imagine what you were just looking at. It is something that happens automatically. Without opening your eyes, can you imagine the colors? How about the textures? In a moment, I will ask you to breathe in, and when you do, open your eyes. And when you breathe out, close them again. Go ahead, breathe in, opening the eyes. And when you breathe out, allow them to close. Do this again. Breathing in, open the eyes. Breathing out, closing them. You will notice that this makes you feel very relaxed. Breathing in and opening the eyes. Breathing out and closing them. On your next breath out, when you let your eyes close, keep them that way. You may find they are very relaxed when they are closed. Your eyelids may feel heavy. You may find that even if you wanted to open your eyes, you couldn't. They are just so relaxed. Now I will count down from 5. And with each number I say, take a nice breath in. And when you breathe out, let your relaxation amplify. 5. Breathe. And relax. 4. Breathe. Relaxing even more. 3. Breathing, relaxing. 2. And 1. Allow this last breath to carry you into a nice state of calm.